From building weaving looms to becoming one of the biggest car manufacturers in the world, this is the unbelievable journey of Toyota. But do you know who's currently driving this automotive giant forward? Stay tuned, because this story is more than just about cars. It's about innovation, leadership, and a name that changed the world. Toyota, a name that echoes reliability, innovation, and global dominance in the automobile world. But how did it all begin? It all started in 1937 in Japan, when Kiichiro Toyoda, the son of an inventor who built weaving machines, had a vision. Instead of staying in the family's textile business, he saw the future in automobiles. With limited resources but a strong will, Kiichiro established the Toyota Motor Corporation. Over the decades, Toyota introduced revolutionary models like the Corolla, Land Cruiser, Prius, and later hybrid and electric cars. By focusing on quality, efficiency, and innovation, Toyota didn't just build cars, they built trust. But Toyota's story isn't just about its past, it's also about who's leading it today. Meet the CEO, Koji Sato. In April 2023, Koji Sato took over as the president and CEO of Toyota Motor Corporation. A mechanical engineer by education, Sato rose through the ranks, having earlier worked as the president of Lexus, Toyota's luxury brand. He believes in sustainable innovation and is passionate about taking Toyota into the electric and hydrogen-powered future. Under his leadership, Toyota is now accelerating into the next era, focusing on carbon neutrality, smart mobility, and next-gen technologies. Koji Sato aims to keep Toyota at the forefront, not just of manufacturing, but of global mobility solutions. From humble beginnings in a small Japanese city to becoming a global giant led by visionary minds like Koji Sato, Toyota's journey is nothing short of inspiring. If you enjoyed this story and want to discover more about the success journeys of top global brands and CEOs, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Faymotivation for more powerful stories every week.